Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where we explore the latest machines, legendary rides, and future icons of the automotive world. Today, we dive into a name that has defined ruggedness for generations. Presenting the 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep, a timeless classic reborn with modern engineering and an unbreakable attitude. The CJ3B is not just a vehicle, it is heritage. Since the 1950s, this Jeep has symbolized durability, simplicity, and all-terrain strength. The 2026 model carries forward this legacy but with smarter design, improved performance, and features that honor its original DNA. Mahindra has ensured that the soul of the CJ series remains untouched, while giving enthusiasts a machine ready for modern roads and wild terrains. The 2026 Mahindra CJ3B keeps its iconic tall hood, upright stance, and boxy silhouette. The flat fenders, exposed hinges, and military-style profile stay true to the original. However, Mahindra adds new-age touches like LED headlights, reinforced bumpers, a stronger chassis, and corrosion-resistant panels. The Jeep still looks raw, mechanical, and old-school, but now with a refined and premium finish that makes it suitable for both off-road adventure and daily city use. Inside, the CJ3B remains intentionally minimalistic. The cabin features washable surfaces, a rugged dashboard, durable seating materials, and weather-resistant switches. Modern essentials like a digital analog cluster, USB charging ports, and optional Bluetooth audio are included, but the Jeep maintains its simple and functional personality. It is built for people who value strength over luxury and purpose over clutter. Under the hood, the 2026 CJ3B is expected to feature a refined 2.0-liter diesel engine, tuned for torque and reliability. The power delivery is smooth, and the low-end grunt makes it perfect for climbing, towing, and heavy-duty tasks. With a robust 4x4 system, locking differentials, and upgraded suspension, the CJ3B is ready to conquer mountains, mud trails, riverbeds, and rocky landscapes. Whether for farming, adventure travel, or rural utility, this Jeep performs without hesitation. Mahindra equips the 2026 CJ3B with essential modern features such as ABS, multi-terrain modes, traction control, and improved braking. Optional soft-top and hardtop configurations allow users to customize their Jeep. Practical additions like tow hooks, skid plates, and high ground clearance make it a complete off-road tool. Despite its old-school charm, the CJ3B is now safer, stronger, and more capable than ever. This Jeep is perfect for enthusiasts who appreciate classic machines with real mechanical feel. It is ideal for off-road lovers, farmers, rural explorers, and anyone who wants a vehicle that lasts for decades. The CJ3B is not built for luxury seekers, it is built for those who want reliability, raw power, and a machine that works as hard as its owner. The 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep proves that legends never fade, they evolve. Mahindra has brought back an icon with improved capability, modern engineering, and the same fearless personality. The CJ3B is a salute to history and a gift to the future. Thank you for watching Bike Shift. For more exclusive reviews and upcoming vehicle updates, stay tuned and subscribe.